Well, I'd hate to be that guy.
Who says it's a guy?
Yeah, figured.
Oh. Can't stand this, Maggie.
I know.
If Audrey did do this and I missed it,
You think you did?
you saw the DNA test, you tell me.
Emma says this all feels so deliberate. Okay, so if someone set Audrey up, we know they had access to the mask. Who's to say they didn't plant the DNA?
Tell me what you need.
I need a closer look at that mask, more time with the DNA.
You know, the higher-ups love Rain because she gets results fast. But I know that good work takes time.
It does. You took 4 years to kiss me.
Never let me be that slow again.